Do you struggle knowing what to do with your paycheck once it lands in your bank account? Here are 3 things to do with your money once it lands in your account. Number 1, pay yourself first. Put aside at least 10% of what you make into an account that you can't access easily. This will be the money used for emergencies. Number 2, ensure that your basic living expenses are covered. Mortgages, rent, food, basic needs. Ensure that you have enough to cover that. And finally, number 3 is whatever's left over, invest. Invest the remaining amounts. Grow your money. Make your money work for you. The 3 things to do once your paycheck hits your bank account. I'm Clyde Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.